very unfortunate incident, and again, it raises the sensitivity of the community, given what has happened recently, and the police response is what will, in fact, give corrections to the community, and they certainly have done major work since morning. They've apprehended and identified several of the individuals. There are two there particularly, I think they have one out of the two. This was appeared to have an internal gang operation. In this case, although St. Catherine, they were calling over sharing of scamming money. And the individuals identified going to this big wake, which is, as many are aware now, so I can call the name. It was Chris Martin's grandmother. And when he was seen, two of the members were upset with him, went after him. The young man ran into the crowd for protection, but they kept firing at him. He was killed, and then 6 people were injured in the association. In the background, there's some unfortunate events surrounding it, of course, beside that, because Chris Martin going to a wake is going to be a big event, and the police should have been informed. I am told that they were not aware of it until the shooting came about. And I want to use the opportunity to inform the wider society. Cooperation with the police means keeping them informed, not only of breaches of law, but when you're having gatherings and activities, please inform the police. There's fear sometimes that the police may reject an application for a gathering. That is true because the police have ultimate responsibility for public safety. And at times the police have intelligence that would indicate to them that the level of policing needed to protect people at a gathering is too heavy and therefore it should not be held. That's really when the police refuse a permit. Otherwise, they will in fact take steps to deploy policemen in the area and sometimes to work with their promoters to ensure that they have adequate policing in that situation. We know that activities of this sort is a part of our culture. We have no interest, and the police have no interest in disrupting our cultural practices. So, you know, someone like Chris Martin's statue going to a community is going to draw a crowd beside his grandmother. So please, when activities are coming up, inform the police. I said, we have no interest, I repeat, in disrupting our entertainment and cultural activities. What we want is to have them conducted safely. And the police can only assure you of that when they are aware and are made to know that the activities are coming on. So most regrettable activity, but the police is getting good information and are tracking down all the killers.
So the deceased then wasn't attending the wake, he ran into the...
Well, it was nearby, because it's a small community, so pretty much everybody in the community would be coming out for Chris Martin's grandmother's wake, especially knowing that Chris Martin was there. But he was on the periphery, and seeing the perpetrators, he of course recognized them and took off. But rather than seek to escape somewhere safe, I don't know what the structure of the place is like, he ran into the crowd. So that was really how the event unfolded.